Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to know about chapter 20b, requirement as to mode of acceptance, payment or repayment in certain cases to counter activation of tax, mode of taking or accepting certain loans, deposits and specified sum. Section 269 SS. No person shall take or accept from any other person any loan or deposit or any specified sum otherwise than by an account pay check or account pay bank draft or use of electronic clearing system through a bank account. If the amount of such loan or the deposit or specified sum or the aggregate amount of such loan, deposit and specified sum or on the date of taking or accepting such loan or deposit or specified sum, any loan or deposit or specified sum taken or accepted earlier by such person from the depositor is remaining unpaid. Whether repayment has fallen due or not, it's not the matter. The amount or the aggregate amount remaining unpaid, or the amount or the aggregate amount referred in the clause A together with the amount or the aggregate amount referred to in clause B is 20,000 rupees or more, provided that the provisions of this section shall not apply to any loan or deposit or specified sum taken or accepted from, or any loan or deposit or specified sum taken or accepted by the government, by any banking company, post office, savings bank or cooperative banks, any corporation established by a central, state or provincial act, by any government company as defined in clause 45 section 2 of the Companies Act 2013. Such other institution, association or body or class of institutions, associations or bodies with the central government may, for reasons to be recorded in writing, notify in this behalf in the official gazette. Provided further that the provisions of this section shall not apply to any loan or deposit or specified sum where the person from whom the loan or deposit or specified sum is taken or accepted and the person by whom the loan or deposit or specified sum is taken or accepted are both having agricultural income and neither of them has any income chargeable to the tax under this act. In a single day means all the transactions of the day from the same person shall be clubbed to verify the limit of 20,000. The aggregate amount means total money received on the day including earlier unpaid amount. Specified sum means any sum of money receivable whether as advance or otherwise in relation to transfer of an immobile property whether or not the transfer takes place. Section 269 SS with some examples. The clause A of this section is no person shall take or accept from any other person any loan or deposit or any specified sum. The amount of such loan or deposit or specified sum or the aggregate amount of such loan, deposit and specified sum is 20,000 rupees or more. Let's say the Lucky the depositor and Pragya the acceptor. The loan is 8,000 by cash, deposit 9,000 by cash and the specified sum 8,000 by cash. The total aggregate amount by cash is 25,000 which is more than 20,000, so that the clause A of the section 269 SS is violated. The second example, the open land or the house property. It is an immobile property transaction between a land or house property and between the owner of the property. The specified sum is advanced by 20,000 by cash and advanced rupees 25 lakhs by net banking. The specified sum 1 equals to 20,000. It violates the section 269 SS of clause A. Both the examples penalty equal to such an amount under section 271D. Section 269 SS clause B. No person shall take or accept from any other person any loan or deposit or any specified sum on the date of taking or accepting such loans or deposit or specified sum. Any loan or deposit or specified sum taken or accepted earlier by such person from the depositor is remaining unpaid. Whether repayment has fallen due or not, it's not the matter. The amount or the aggregate amount remaining unpaid is 20,000 rupees or more. The example is, let's say Satyaraj the depositor and Lasya the acceptor She accepted the earlier loan of rupees 15,000 and it is unpaid. And she again took another loan of amount 10,000 rupees. Then the total loan outstanding is 15,000 plus 10,000, that is equals to 25,000, right? So, which is greater than 20,000 and it violates the section 269 SS of clause B and the penalty under section 271D was levied. Section 269 SS clause C. No person shall take or accept from any other person any loan or deposit or specified sum. The amount or the aggregate amount referred in clause A together with the amount of the aggregate amount referred to in clause B is 20,000 rupees or more. Exceptional cases. Receiving cash from relatives during emergencies. Here intention should not be evade the taxes. Here the intention should not be to avoid the taxes or avoid the taxes. The loan transaction between son-in-law and the father-in-law for a support and help was not a loan or deposit in striker sense of section 269 SS of the Act, and the same having been given only as a financial support, the relevant transaction did not fall in the ambit of the section 269 SS of the Act. The specified modes of payment given in the section read with the rule 6A BBA are account payee, bank draft or account payee check, or the use of an electronic clearing system ECS through a bank account, credit card, debit card, net banking, IMPS immediate payment service, UPI unified payment interface, RTGS real time gross settlement, NEFT National Electronic Funds Transfer, and Beam Bharat Interference for Money, that is the Aadhaar Pay. Certain judicial precedents which have held that section 269 SS shall not apply to under mentioned cases. The loan transaction between husband and wife, Nabildev versus ITO. Cash transactions between close family members for offering help and support, Sri Nikhil Banik Mazmudir versus JCIT, ITAT, Kolkata. Transaction between relatives. So this is about today's video. We'll meet in our next video. Thanks for watching.